MoneyLion approval depends on how quickly it can verify your bank account, confirm your income deposits, and pull enough transaction history to decide if you qualify for Instacash access. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what MoneyLion checks, what usually slows approval down, and what actually helps you get approved faster. Start with bank linking. MoneyLion connects directly to your bank account, and approval won't move forward until that connection fully syncs. If the bank link is incomplete or delayed, the system can't read your financial data, which stops approval from progressing. Now look at income deposits. MoneyLion checks whether your account shows recurring income that follows a consistent pattern. If your deposits are irregular or unclear, approval can take longer because the system can't clearly predict repayment behavior. Next, check transaction history. The app needs enough recent activity to understand how money moves in and out of your account. Limited history usually slows approval because the system has less data to evaluate. Now focus on direct deposits. Recurring payroll deposits are one of the strongest signals MoneyLion uses for approval decisions. Without them, approval is still possible, but it often takes longer or comes with reduced access. Next, look at account balance behavior. If your balance frequently drops very low or changes unpredictably, the system may take longer to classify your financial profile. More stable patterns are easier for automated systems to process. Now, check identity verification. MoneyLion requires identity matching between your bank account and your profile, and mismatches can delay approval. Even small differences in personal details can slow down verification. Next, consider bank compatibility. Some banks sync faster than others depending on how well they support third-party financial connections. If your bank updates slowly, approval may feel delayed even when everything is correct. Now look at setup completion. Finishing your setup in one continuous session can help the system process your information faster than stopping and restarting multiple times. Interrupted setups can delay how quickly your account is evaluated. Finally, understand system processing. MoneyLion uses automated systems, so approval speed depends entirely on how quickly your bank data becomes readable and complete inside their system. To sum it up, faster approval on MoneyLion usually comes down to a clean bank connection, consistent income deposits, and enough transaction history for the system to clearly understand your financial behavior. Next, make sure your bank account is fully linked, your identity details match exactly, and your deposits are clearly visible before applying. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more cash advance app guides, approval tips, and simple breakdowns that make financial apps easier to understand.